In this video, we will get up and running with Visual Studio Code on a Mac. The first step is to open up a web browser and type in Download Visual Studio Code. We can click on the result from code.visualstudio.com. From there, we will be able to download VS Code for Mac. We can click on the downloaded file to open it. It is a zip file, so we will need to double click on it to decompress it. From there, we can double click on the Visual Studio Code application that appears. Next, we will install the extension to run C++ code, which we can do by opening up the extensions pane, which is the fifth icon down on the left side, and searching for C++ in the search bar. We can install the first one, the most popular VS Code C++ extension. If we get prompted to install the recommended extensions for C++, we can click the Install button. After a moment, we will be up and running with everything we need to run C++ code on our Mac.